Let's talk unhappy customers. More specifically, let's talk about preventing unhappy customers and safeguarding your reputation. There are three main areas where you can control the relative happiness of your average customer when it comes to their building project. Prevent rot, protect against weathering, and understanding your client's expectations regarding appearance. That's it. Simple, right? Building Best Practices 101. But simple isn't always easy. You need to know your stuff to prevent rot, but your clients need to have some basic grasp of it too. It's always best to explain things like proper airflow under decks or preparing the ground for drainage. But above all else, your customers really need to understand the critical role of proper treatment, as it will affect both costs and the long-term appearance of the project. And we've all seen how quickly you can run into situations when above-ground products are used for applications that call for ground contact. Second, any outdoor building project needs protection from the harsh weather. Let the customer know up front their project will need to be sealed as soon as possible, either by you or them. And it periodically needs to be resealed to keep it looking great. You can even offer this as an additional annual service you provide. Customers should also know the wait time may vary if the wood hasn't been kiln dried, but sealing it as soon as possible is the #1 way to extend the life and the natural beauty of the project and prevent callbacks. Finally, you need to manage your client's expectations in terms of appearance. Often a homeowner doesn't realize that they have a variety of wood-grade options available to them. By taking a little bit of time to gauge their desires and walking them through what I call the good, better, best presentation, you can find the right balance between appearance and the homeowner's budget. And you can often upsell them to a better-looking deck. And that's it. 3 simple ways to protect your building project, your reputation, and the happiness of your customers who can't wait to show off the backyard to some very jealous neighbors.